Sorry, not everybody fits in the bad bitch genre. It's a genre.
They know my body is good. $2 million to party in Saudi Arabia clubs. Popping them things to go up and smoking Los Angeles bud. Deep bitches biting like Joe. Shout out to Kimla though. I'm the one who run this 50 with they armed and vicious. Accusations on them blogs and they all fictitious. I done bent the realest blocks, push the hardest sixes. Keep a couple killers that don't care how far them licks is. Look, bitches act like they want action. Heard they want action, bitch we ain't ducking no action. I'm about to get them that traction, send a distraction. Then I'ma line them like fraction. Break, I let them live, look at all them eating. But these bitches gon' be mad once I call this meeting. Make it stick get hard soon as I brush up, but we tryna be sundown. Whole city go up when a bitch touch down like the niggas in the hot dog.
Oh, let me tell you what's happening today. So today is photo shoot day. I'm taking my 3K photos because I just hit 31. Not 31. And Caleb here to take my pictures, y'all. But yeah, I'm almost ready. Just gotta do my eyebrows. Lashes already done. I gotta get my lipstick at the car. And then I think I'm gonna do a little bit of white eyeliner. Just a little bit on the outers. But I'm gonna do a whole lot. But yeah, photo shoot. I'm done now. And well, I'm not done, but okay. Let me get a little highlights. And the face is done. Hair done, thank goodness. So I'm gonna just do my edges. Now edges are done. It's just time for the mousse. Alright, now let's go take some photos. Alright, so now we're about to start. Alright.
Don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste it? Little taste. Novocaine, baby, baby. Novocaine, baby. I'm gonna pass out like a little. I'm shooting my cuff like a head. Love me now when I'm gone. Love me now. Love me now. Love me now. Novocaine, Novocaine, Novocaine. I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it for me. Tell me that you guess that I try to need you. But I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why I got
Okay, so let me just come and talk for a second. So I did 3 looks. This is my first look. This is kind of like little 3K, you know, whatever. And then the second look, I did like a gray shirt with like a bucket hat. And this is supposed to be like fun, you know, cool girl, whatever you want to call it. I did that look. And then the third look was just me with like a rocker jacket. And now it's supposed to be like the moon photo shoot. I don't know. But I just did 3 different looks. And these are all 3 different looks right here. So, yeah.
Go crazy. Love me your body, baby. Get me what needs to me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day I need no other.
Tell you through and baby.
I'm taking a shot.
Day and night.
2 hours later.
Word B. It's gonna blur, like, this you talking. So it's like, it's gonna blur everything else out. What you
It's yours.
I used to.
Whitney. I'm ready. This is my video. It's my girl. We got pull up my seat. Right. I'm gonna have to see What's that?
It's a ginger sauce.
Ginger sauce. Oh, orange.
You want ginger?
I have a little bit. Thank you.
What about you?
I have a ginger sauce. Don't want that. I have a swig, just a little bit. Thank you. Yeah, that's good. This is. Oh, weak. You talking about some? I gotta get a video. With the fire. Oh my god.
Ready?
Yeah,
Watch
ready.
my brow.
Alright, Ari. Do it again. Right, they had about 3 fire shows out there. This ain't good with, it come with noodles and rice, right?
No, man. Only rice and I'm sorry. It's only rice.
Okay, can you add noodles?
Well, you can order it on the side.
Okay. Now where Didi at? 'Cause now she told. Right. See, I told you to get out there. That lady. She just said what we paradise. Everybody rate their experience. I'm giving it a 8 out of 10 right now because we're still waiting to eat. You guys. What am I to say? Are you recording? Recording. You got the lighter? I got it. I gave it a lighter. Small camera about it.
I ain't charged the camera before.
Because I did it.
Told y'all hoes I don't work, y'all. fuck I got going on, ho. It's city girl shit. Ring just, no balls.
Hey, it's always on. So I'm about to do
When he go outside.
out my face. My own henna.
On my damn Tell him where you got it from.
Got it from Ivy Shop right here. Is it gonna be dry for the night?
Yeah. I got 10 like little templates for you.
I'm a free
Okay.
yeah.
We gonna pray for it. That's all we can do. It's pray though.
That's what happened to I was saying I got two.
Yeah, she don't be like sick or nothing. She be looking so good the whole time she pregnant.
Now you talk so much, it drives me insane.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
So what can I say to you? When I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby. What is this for this girl? What is love? Love, what is love? You believe it?
With you.
No, for real. Okay, alright, y'all ready?
Bye.
And it need to sound good, so practice.
I wanna say happy birthday to you.
What you said, you said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no